Hello friends, this is Srikant Singh. Welcome you at my YouTube channel Importent. My dear friends, today I am going to discuss a very important topic of English grammar, that is phrase. Phrase is a group of words that gives sense but not complete, and it does not have a finite word. So a group of words that give sense. Let's see. On the chair, कुर्सी पर, इन द रूम, कमरे में, एट द डोर, दरवाजे पर. यहां पे सेंस तो दे रहा है परंतु पूरी तरह से सेंस नहीं दे रहा है. दैट्स व्हाई वी कैन से दिस इज फ्रेज. Kinds of phrase, you can see here there are three kinds of phrase. Number one, noun phrase, and number two, adjective phrase, number three, adverb phrase. Noun phrase is that phrase that acts as a noun in a sentence is called noun phrase. Adjective phrase is used to do the work of an adjective in a sentence, and adverb phrase is the phrase that acts as an adverb in a sentence. It's called adverb phrase. My dear friends, I hope you understand this and visit my channel each and every. What is the difference between what is the difference among phrase, phrasal verb and verb phrase? My dear friends, as I know, many students are completely confounded where to use phrase, where to use phrasal verb, and how to and where to use verb phrase. So in this video I am going to clear each and every doubt of you. Let's begin. First I am going to show you that what is phrase. You can see here phrase, a group of words that give sense but not complete. It has no finite verb. You have to see here there is no finite verb. As example, on the roof, in the classroom, and below the table. If I will say you that a group of words that gives sense but not complete, and it has no finite verb, that type of group is called phrase. Next, phrasal verb. You can see here phrasal verb, a verb combined with an adverb, a preposition, or sometimes both to give a new meaning is called phrasal verb. Example देखिए आप, take off, break down. I took two examples in front of you. You can see here, and I wrote a formula for the clarification of this structure. You can see here, verb plus preposition, verb plus preposition, or verb plus adverb acts as a phrasal verb in a sentence. My dear friends, next, that is very important. हम फ्रेज और फ्रेजल वर्ब ये दो चीज तो पढ़ने और सुनने को मिल जाता है, बट वर्ब फ्रेज क्या होता है इसमें बहुत ही कंफ्यूजन होती है. तो हम उसको इस वीडियो में इसमें क्लियर कर देते हैं. आज के बाद आपका ये कंफ्यूजन खत्म हो जाएगा कि वर्ब फ्रेज क्या होता है. बहुत से स्टूडेंट्स इसमें प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट होती है उनको कि वर्ब फ्रेज क्या होता है, हम तो पहचान ही नहीं पाते. तो आइए बिना देर किए हम उस चीज को समझते हैं जो बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है. Verb phrase. Let's see. A verb phrase is a group of words that consists of a main verb and any auxiliary or modal verbs that come after it. करें कि जो verb phrase होता है यह auxiliary या modal verb के बाद main verb का combination होता है. आप एग्जाम्पल देखिए, she is sleeping. Is sleeping, auxiliary plus main verb. Has done, auxiliary plus main verb. Will read, modal plus main verb. As I show you, when a main verb combined with an auxiliary or modal verb gives some sense in a sentence, you can say that is verb phrase. उम्मीद है आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आएगा और आज के बाद कभी भी कहीं पर भी आप बेझिझक बता सकोगे, कह पाओगे कि आपको पता है फ्रेज क्या होता है, फ्रेजल वर्ब क्या होता है और वर्ब फ्रेज क्या होता है। तो मेरे वीडियो में अगर आप पहली बार विजिट किए हैं तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माय वीडियो and subscribe my channel, share it to your friends. That's why I can reach more and more students. Thank you.